Welcome to a brand new video from Ray and Q Electronics. Rocket stop, just simulating and start building. If you've ever dreamt of transforming a simple Tinkercad sketch into a real, working, professional-grade PCB, not in days, but in minutes, then get ready. Today, I'm peeling back the curtain to show you the ultimate maker hack, taking your basic nightlight circuit from Tinkercad and instantly exporting it to a perfect PCB design using the powerhouse tool, EasyEDA. 5 minutes is all it takes. Seriously. Let's make some magic. So here's the game changer. Tinkercad is your fantastic playground for quick ideas, testing, and debugging. But when it's time for that idea to jump off the screen and into your hands, you need a stunning PCB. That's where EasyEDA steps in. It's an intuitive, web-based tool that obliterates the hassle, turning your messy breadboard layouts into sleek, manufacturable PCB files with zero stress. First up, we tackle the nightlight circuit you already perfected. I'll walk you through the lightning-fast process of extracting both the schematic and the layout right out of Tinkercad. Then, watch closely. In the blink of an eye, I'll show you how to suck those files directly into EasyEDA. No complex code, no confusing setup, just pure design flow. Once inside the EasyEDA environment, you'll feel like a professional engineer. I'll reveal how to instantly clean up component placement, how to run the incredible auto router to connect every single trace perfectly, and how to precisely dial in your board size so it snaps right into your nightlight casing. The best part. This is where you bring the style. Customize your PCB with cool colors, add your own project labels, and give everything one final, confident check before you hit the manufacturing button. By the end of this supercharged walkthrough, you won't just have a digital file, you'll have a flawless, print-ready PCB design ready to order. You are going to save hours of frustrating guesswork and endless wire shuffling. Whether you're crafting the perfect gift, launching a new side project, or just aggressively leveling up your DIY game, this Tinkercad to PCB bridge is an absolute must-know secret. So, ditch the complexity, grab your mouse, and let's turn that simulation glow into a real-world LED beacon. Ready to forge your first professional PCB? Let's dive in and get that board humming. And hey, if you want to keep unlocking more powerful electronic secrets like this one, don't forget to click the subscribe button below.